Hello everyone, welcome to the Study Hacks Institute of GIS and Remote Sensing. Today I will discuss a important topic, mainly how we can easily monitor the trend of carbon monoxide concentration. So I already make a tutorial. If you don't watch this tutorial, simply visit and watch this tutorial. How we can easily monitor the monthly carbon monoxide concentration and also make the time series chart for monthly. So if you don't watch this video, simply watch it. Then I hope you can get the idea for this code. So today's session, I will try to explain how we can easily make the trend line. Suppose this is the time series chart. I got it for monthly. So now I want to check what's the trend for carbon monoxide concentration in this month, January to December. I want to check it. So it's very easy. We can easily display the trend line in Google Earth Engine, and we can easily get the trend line chart. And from this trend line, we can easily identify what is the trend for carbon monoxide concentration for this month, January to December in year of 2020. Okay, so let's go. We can discuss about that. For creating the trend line chart, so first of all, you can simply write this argument trend lines, and further just put here this curly bracket. In this curly bracket, I simply put my argument one by one. So first argument is that in this case here you can see we create the trend line for the chart, and for the chart I want to create the trend line for one. So in the JavaScript programming, this time one refers to the zero. So zero is considered the first item. In this time I create the trend line for mainly one trend line I create. So that's why I just put here the zero, and further I put my argument. So in this time I put my argument. One argument is that type argument. So mainly we can generate the different types of linear or polynomial or exponential. So this type of trend we can easily create in Google Earth Engine platform. Suppose in this case I want to create the linear trend. So just I put here the linear, and further if I run the code, then you can check one linear line will be added in my time series chart. And from this linear line, we can easily get this idea for this month of January to December, what the scenario of carbon monoxide concentration. It will be high or low, or it will be decreasing day by day, or it will be increasing day by day. So this type of information we can easily access from here. So now it's generating this chart. In the chart, we can easily visualize the trend. What is the trend for? So here you can see we got this type of linear line. So it show one kind of linear line. So it show about that for this month of January to December in year of 2020, we find out this type of trend. So this trend means that it will be decreasing. Okay, so month by month, this gases of concentration of the carbon monoxide, it will be decreasing. We find out this type of result. So we can got this type of trend line. So further, if you want, you can also add the more style in the trend line and also create the more beautiful chart. For creating these things, first of all, suppose I want to add the color of this line, another color I want to choose. So for that, simply put here that color, and I want to add the color, suppose green color. So click to the run. So now the chart added the color trend line. Trend line show as a green color. So we find out this type of problem. I think some networking issue for that got this type of problem. So let me run this code again. Okay. So now here you can see you can got this type of chart. It shows a green color. So further, if you want to also you add the more styling. Suppose I want to put the I want to increase the line width. So just I put here the line and put here that width, and I put here the line width suppose 5. Okay. So now you can see this line is also is the width. Then you can easily get that more better chart. So now you can get this type of, I can see it where the width. If you want, you can also decrease the opacity. Suppose I just set the opacity of the chart 0.2. So now we can get the visibility is also decrease about the chart. So it also look better. So now I can say you can got this type of chart. Okay, it's the opacity I put the 0.2. So that's why you can got this type of trend line. So now I want to add the legend. Suppose this trend line legend I want to display on the chart. So for that, just use the another argument. It's called the visible in legend. Just write it and then put at the true operator and then click the run. So now for this trend line legend also added in our chart. So now it's generating this time series chart with all of arguments such as type. Then we also add the color, line width, opacity, and visible in legend. So now it easily we can find out that more better chart. So now you got this type of time series chart. So just I click on here. Then we can got this type of chart here. You can see the chart including all of those things. We can easily find out that type of value. Okay. And we can get this type of you can see it will be decreasing day by day. And also find out the rate of decreasing. Okay. So here you can easily find out that y equal to mx plus c. Okay. So here y equal to mx plus c. So m mainly slope value, x mainly month, plus c mainly 0.003. This we can easily get it from here. So this is the process to how we can easily create this type of trend line, and we can easily get the trend line chart. So I hope you also enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can simply ask me in the comment section. I'll also try to give this answer. And if you want to join my upcoming online training program, so basically our next batch will be start from the 20 September. So now this registration is open, and now only for the 4 seats are available to get the 50% discount on this online training program. If you want to join as soon as possible, simply book your seat and join our upcoming online batch live training program. So you can easily get all of information for this upcoming online training program. So you can get all of course content for the first day, second day, third day, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh day. Yeah, as well as when you want to join my live training program, you can get some benefits such as you can get course e-certificate of submitting all of assignment. You can get the all of materials, slide PDF. You can get all of practice code. You can get all of recorded class, as well as you also get the lifetime teaching support. So as a beginner, when you face any problem, any issue in your code, you can get the lifetime teaching support, and continuously you can learn from us. So if you want to join this online training program, you can simply contact in this WhatsApp number, as well as you can also contact with this email. So I already added all of information in the video description. If you want, you can also visit our website, and from this website you can also get all of information and then simply book your seat. So today is no more. Thank you for asking that. Stay happy, stay safe.